Len Prazych from Board Converting News here at Corrugated Week 2022, here at the Baldwin Technology booth with two of our favorite advertisers and leading technology providers, Greg Black and Jonathan Fore. Gentlemen, welcome to the show, and how are things?
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thanks, Len. It's great to be here in San Antonio, of course, at Corrugated Week. Baldwin's really excited to be here. We're really growing in the corrugated space, and good to see all the foot traffic at the booth.
What are the latest offerings people are asking about from Baldwin Technology, the corrugated side?
So I think for us right now, what we're really seeing is, especially with some of the challenges in the global supply chain and the marketplace, a real focus just around how can we improve the automation of the process, how can we speed up the automation, the efficiency of the press, and increase the quality of the product. So we've got two things we're really focused on here. One is our automated cleaning solution, the Flexo cleaner brush that you can see behind us.
Okay.
Which is a high quality product in terms of removing the hickey picking on the substrate, on the cardboard. You don't have to take the press down, so it's a big efficiency gain for the printer that you're not having to stop the press. And then the end of press cleaning process is literally 3 or 4 minutes. Fully cleans the plates, dries them at the end of it. And then the other piece, which is probably even more exciting for Jonathan to talk about, is on the LED side.
Yeah, so as we know that in the corrugated industry, most of the drying is done by infrared dryers, but there is a growing demand for UV curing. And the interesting thing about UV is conventional UV runs actually even hotter than infrared. And so what we've come up with is a product that you can see. It's called the XP Max, and as we know, LED runs so much cooler, so that in the event that if there was a malfunction and corrugated was to land on top of the lamp, you're talking 100 degrees Celsius instead of 850 degrees Celsius. So yeah, much safer. Also, because we have this innovative design where we're actually taking 20-inch modules and making them as wide as you want, you can actually go as wide as you want. And the great thing is you aren't relying on one array that's wide. If for some reason you need to switch it out, you just unplug it, snap a new one in place, and keep going. So it really is unlike anything else that's out there in the market. So.
Wonderful. Good luck. You should have no problem with some foot traffic. We have a lot of registrants, a lot of attendees. We can move some product, and we're doing good. Actually, the press release on this product will be in next week's issue of Board Converting News.
Yeah,
next thing I want to hear is how many units you've sold. So thank you for your business, as always.
Thanks, Len.
Jonathan. All right, see you online.
Bye.